What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, if you have been watching my channel for a while, then you know how serious I am about growing my vegetables. And guys, I don't want to just grow a little bit of vegetables. I want to grow a lot of vegetables. So Vegega just made that easier for me by helping me expand my garden. All right, so guys, this is what Vegega sent me. This is a 17-inch tall, large U-shaped raised bed, and this one is in slate gray. So let's go ahead and open it up and I'll show you what's inside the box. All right, so what do we have in the box? So I see we have some panels right here. It's pretty heavy duty. Some more panels right here for the sides. We have some bracing bars right here. We have some rubber lining for the top so you don't cut your hands on the top of the garden beds. And let's see the directions right here. And I see we have all of the screws in here. So we are good to go, guys. We are ready to start putting this thing together. All right, so I took everything out the box, and I see on all the panels, guys, they have a plastic coating on here that you must pull off. And this is just on here to protect the paint, guys, in shipping. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all these off on all of these panels. And they come off pretty easy. Just pull them right off. Just like that. And there you have it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all of them off, guys. Guys, we're gonna be putting together this one right here, the U-shaped large. And you can see all the directions are right there. It's pretty easy. It shows you how many panels there are. 2 panels side by side. And yeah, the directions are very easy. I'm using my socket wrench because I feel like the socket wrench will be easier than using the hand tool that they provided, which is fine. You just don't want to tighten it up too tight and strip it. So this is what I'll be using right now. So I'll demonstrate how to put one of the panels together, and then, like I said, you just follow the directions. It's very simple. So guys, using these bolts that they gave us, they gave us a bolt, a screw, and a washer. All you're gonna do is just line the beds up to the holes, and this is for the sides. And just put the bolt. The bolt goes on the screw goes on the outside, and the washer and the nut goes on the opposite side, which will be inside of the bed. Guys, these beds are eco-friendly and they are built to last for 20 years. So we shall see. So that's all you have to do right there, guys. Just put the bolts on just like that and go all the way around. So I'm not going to do all of them for you, but that's how simple it is, and just following that guide. Go for it. All right, guys, so you can see the bed right here. Put it all together, guys. I even put the bracing rods inside of it. So they come with 2 bracing rods for each side, one right here and one for that side right there. And then I put the other 2 right there on that side. So you can see, guys, this bed is beautiful. The quality of it is fantastic. I have nothing negative to say about this bed. It's big. I love the color of it. I love the shape of it too. Guys, in the book, you can also see that there are many different shapes that you can configure in this book, using the sides and pieces that they gave you. There's a lot of different shapes, guys, that you can configure. So I just chose to go with this shape because this is the one I want, and it gives me the biggest bed that I can grow the most in. So that's why I decided to go with this shape. So yeah, so now what I'm going to do now, guys, is I'm going to put the vinyl on the top, the rubber. Where is it at? It's in the box right here. I'm going to put the rubber layering on the top of it, and then after that, guys, I'm going to head over here to this pile of mulch that I have, and I'm going to start filling up this bed. All right, so after a long, hard day's work, We finally filled this bed up. It's ready to go. So all we're gonna do now, guys, is I need to just add my irrigation in here, and then I can put my collard greens in here, my beets in here, and some of my onions. I do have 2 more beds over here. I have my orange bed, and I also have my green bed over here. And we ran out of time today, so we won't be able to do that this weekend. But stay tuned to it on the future video, as I'll be doing the irrigation for all 3 of these beds. So I want to thank Vegega for giving us this opportunity and shipping us the beds, giving us the opportunity to expand our garden. So thank you very much. And you guys, if you guys are interested in any of these beds, go to the description and you will see the link, and you can also use my code. And my code, guys, is very simple. It's Whatsupwithtony, and you'll get your 10% discount. So like I said, if you have any other questions about these beds as well, just put it in the comments, guys, and I will gladly respond. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I appreciate you.